How to fix can't see who viewed my TikTok profile. Hello guys, welcome back to our another tutorial video. I hope you are doing great. So let's start without wasting time. First of all, open up your TikTok. Now at the bottom right corner, tap on your profile icon. Again at the top right corner, tap on the three lines and go to settings and privacy. Now tap on privacy and scroll down to the bottom. Now tap on profile views. Now toggle this off. Now wait for some time and toggle this on later. Now if this doesn't fix your issue, go back to your home page. Now screenshot your profile. Now again tap on the three lines. Now go to settings and privacy. Scroll down a bit and tap on report a problem. Now scroll down a bit and tap on submit a report. Now write your issue here. Now tap the photo icon and attach the screenshot. And tap on OK. Now tap on submit. I hope this should fix your issue. Thank you for watching our tutorial. I hope you liked our content.